Hey, welcome to your Workflow Workbench. In just the next couple of minutes, we're going to sketch out a really simple map of how your team gets work done. By seeing it all laid out, we'll start to spot some really cool opportunities to save time and, just work a little smarter. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. There are absolutely no wrong answers here.
Okay, so the most important thing to know right off the bat is that nothing you do here is permanent. Seriously. Just think of this whole thing as a digital whiteboard where you can sketch out ideas, you can't break anything, I promise, and every single choice you make can be easily changed later on.
So, this big blank space you see in the middle, that's your canvas. We're just going to use it to create a quick, simple sketch of how your team's work flows from one step to the next. Now, the key here is to focus only on how work happens today. We're not trying to design some perfect future process or a dream workflow just yet. Nope, we're just creating an honest snapshot of how things are right now. And just to be super clear, our goal here is to create a rough sketch, not a perfect, detailed blueprint. And this is important. You're not automating anything yet. We're simply getting a clear picture of your current process before we even think about improving it. And as you'll see, the pieces are really simple. Each block just represents a single action your team takes, and the lines connecting them, well, they just show the order that they happen in. It's really that straightforward. If you look over on the right-hand side, you'll see a list of your tools. These are the apps you told us about in the previous steps, so they're all ready to go. Just drag them onto the canvas. No setup needed. And hey, a quick tip. While you can totally do this on any device, you might find it's just a little bit easier on a computer. As you start building, just keep this one idea in mind. Roughly right beats perfectly wrong. Don't stress about getting every single detail perfect. The goal is just to create a map that's, generally accurate. Building your map is just a simple three-step thing. First, drag a tool from the side panel onto the canvas. Second, give your best guess for how long that step takes. A gut feeling is perfect here, no need for crazy calculations. And third, connect it to the next step in your workflow. And remember, you can always come back and refine this later. Once your map feels like a pretty good representation of what you do, when it just feels close enough, you're ready for the next phase. See that finalize baseline button? That's your finish line for this part of the journey. And that's it. You've successfully mapped out your current workflow. That is a huge step. Go ahead and click